Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're on the lock screen and everything looks blown up. First, try the fastest fix. Tap the screen twice with 2 fingers to toggle accessibility zoom. Once done, the view should snap back because that gesture turns zoom on or off instantly. If the double tap doesn't change anything, make sure zoom isn't stuck in an active gesture state by unlocking and continuing to the settings method I'll show next. Now you'll turn zoom off so the lock screen stays normal. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Zoom and switch Zoom to off. If you prefer a faster toggle in the future, enable the Accessibility shortcut, Settings Accessibility shortcut, and assign Zoom, then triple-click the side or home button to toggle it. Once done, lock the phone and wake it to confirm the lock screen is back to normal. This stops accidental magnification from recurring. If the wallpaper itself appears zoomed, go to Settings Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, then on the preview pinch outward to zoom out and position the image exactly how you want it. Set it for lock screen. Also check Settings Display and Brightness, display zoom and choose standard if the entire interface looks enlarged. If problems persist, restart the iPhone or toggle zoom off and on once. That often clears stuck magnification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.